Hey babe,
Hey,
tell me where we are.
Ice House Reservoir.
And we're camping here. We got super lucky. How much did it cost?
$80 for 2 nights.
This is number 26. You can park 4 of these trucks like that. So that's what I'm saying, is that this is a lot of space here. For $80? That's amazing. I mean, this thing is incredibly fast to set up.
Just lift it up.
Literally, like these things right here. Oh man, like even if it's super windy, crazy weather, this would be easy, no problem at all to set up.
Lemon cucumber.
This is a potato.
And some tomatoes and broccoli.
So this is the first night. It's gonna rain supposedly. The tent does have a cover and we have it staked down, so I think we'll be all right.
Oh, I scrapped.
You like it out here?
Yeah.
What's your most favorite part?
The lake.
The lake?
Mm-hmm.
Do you think someone left these behind?
I want to know. Let's go.
Before the bear eats us?
Yes, let's go. That one you can eat the skin too, because it's not burnt. This one's more burnt. See? One last.
Good job.
Did I block it? Look at this little tree.
Where are we going, Sexy Pie?
Bazzy balls.
Bazzy?
Bassy.
Bassy?
Yeah.
Like there's a lot of bass in there? But tequila makes her clothes fall off.
So majestic. Hey, what's this I'm doing it right?
You don't know how to use a lighter?
How do I use lighter?
Here,
I just used the
you go like this.
That's what I did.
Alright? Oh my god. That's how you know you're not a smoker.
So that, right?
Yeah. Faster. You gotta go fast.
Oh, that was fast. Whoa.